Hey YouTube, today we're gonna review the Morimoto LED fog lights, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the Morimoto XB. That's for the E39, so this is how it comes packaged. You got two resistors. So yeah, you got the splitters. And you got the Laminex, which I'm gonna use for these fog lights. A lot of people have already the white LEDs, so I don't want to be like them. So packaging comes in a nice package, well, good quality. And these are the LED ones, so this is what we're gonna use, and we're gonna install them and see how they look on it. Alright, so we're gonna get to the install real quick. We're gonna take these covers off, pry them open, take the screw off, and we're gonna do that for both sides and see how they look, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so unfortunately I was not able to find the plug that connects the fog light. Must have probably tore off when I was driving. The car is pretty low, so I don't know, maybe it was cut off, not sure, but I'm gonna have to find another one and wire it up again, and then we'll see how that looks. But I have one that actually does work on this side. It's the clear white LED, and it looks dope, really dope. Can't wait to fix the other side. So there you go, the Morimoto XB LED fog light. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.